But this is what's going to be available right off the bat. You can already see sort of the design right here to the box. What's going on, guys? This is G with Test Bros, and we are super excited to announce something that we've been working for a few months. And we are now partnering with EV Wheel Direct. And for a while, we've been actually trying to offer shoes or footwork or wheels for Tesla vehicles. And part of the reason why is, Test Bros started with the mindset of helping Tesla owners customize, protect, and maintain their vehicles. And obviously, this falls in the customization category. And a lot of people have been asking us. At the same time, I think our specialty and what we're really good at is vinyl wrapping, PPF, films, things that, customize, protect, and also maintain the vehicles. So we didn't really know where to get started with. And that's where EV Wheel Direct came into play. And what I really love about it is when we first started Test Bros, it was the idea that we wanted to help owners find an affordable option to protect, customize, and maintain their vehicles. And that came about because when I first bought my 2018 Model 3, super excited about it. I did everything. I got FSD, and this was when FSD was also very expensive, maybe a little bit less expensive, but it was still expensive. Cars were also a lot more expensive, but it was exciting, right? It was a Model 3. It was one of the hottest cars of the year, and I wanted to get it wrapped, and they quoted me a little over 10 grand, and I thought that was a lot for what I wanted. And I'm not, discounting the shop or anything like that, and they need to also make some money. However, I just felt like there was a missing part in the market where there's not really a do-yourself option. And if there is a do-yourself option, it wasn't really true. Like, it was just like there's no resources, and if there was, it was just not that good, and so on. So long story short, that's kind of how Test Bros began, and it kind of evolved from there. We were making content and then kind of grew into an actual e-commerce company. We still do a lot of content like this, but EV Wheel Direct comes from a very, very similar space, right? So they started mainly so that they could make affordable wheels, high quality wheels, and badass looking wheels. That's literally it. And to help Tesla owners do exactly that without breaking the bank. So we had a talk, we've been working with them for a little bit, and we finally are a distributor for EV Wheel Direct. So you could buy it from their website as well, evwheeldirect.com, but you could also buy it at testbros.com, which makes it a lot easier. And not only that, if we carry anything, first of all, one thing I like to do is I like to have some sort of distribution channel because we want to make sure our customers are taken care of. One thing I dislike actually is I don't often do anything called drop shipping. And drop shipping got really popular, I think, in the last 5 years. But basically, I don't carry any inventory, and then once I get a sale, I make some money, a smaller margin usually, and then that company ships it directly to the customer. That sounds really good in theory, but I think when you get to a bigger scale, it's really hard to scale. But most importantly, we just cannot control the customer experience, and that's just something that we really, really want to make sure we take care of our customers. So we support their products. So EV Wheel Direct will be supported directly by our team here in the US as well. So that's also another reason why we thought this was a good partnership. So we feel like this is a really good opportunity for us, and we're really excited to partner with them. Love working with them. So I think you're here to watch a video of me open this box, right? So I'll show you one of the main wheels that they worked on, and they are also working on a new wheel that's probably going to be announced very, very soon. So we're also excited to launch that, and we're going to launch alongside with them. But this is what's going to be available right off the bat. You can already see sort of the design right here to the box. And this fits the Model 3, the Model Y, and the Model S, which is very, very unique. Okay, so check this out. This is how it's actually going to come. And we're going to put this in another box so that we can ensure that it is absolutely protected. So we got all this shenanigans right here. And look at this. This is an Onyx Black, right? And, oops. Wow. So this is actually 20 by 9. It is a 20-inch rim. I know it's a little bit large, but this design was inspired by, you know, the Lambo's more sporty feel. So this is original design by EV Will Direct. I like this. The spokes looks really good. And this is a 20 by 9. This is a standard 5-bolt pattern like, you know, most of the Teslas have. And this is a cover. So I'm going to show you the cover. And during the release, we're doing a really special launch directly with EV Will Direct. You actually can pick a blue one or a red one, or even just a standard stealth version, just not without this caps. So this is kind of like a faux, like you look at more of the sporty cars, they have this interlock system. So that's kind of what it's supposed to mimic, but you get it in kind of like a, this is very close to ultra red, and this is close to like the metallic blue in the Tesla space. So you get to choose these. These are really, really easy to install. They're just kind of installed, just goes right in, and then it uses a hex key right there. So this is one of their popular wheels. We think it's going to do really well. A lot of people really like this design. And this is a cast wheel. It is about 32 pounds roughly. I can put all the specs, but this isn't really about the specs. So I'll put all the specs down there in the description below as well. But again, this is Onyx Black, really more of a sand black, but they named it Onyx Black. But yeah, it is a sand black finish. So not only that, they do have other wheels as well. But like I said, they're working on getting a lot more in the pipeline, which I'm really excited about. We're also going to be selling other accessories as well within the space. So definitely stay tuned. And yeah, we're just really excited. We're going to put this on the Model 3, probably also on the Model Y, and then ride with it and tell you how it feels. And we'll probably do another video about that. So hopefully you guys are excited just as much as we are. That being said, this is now available to purchase at tezbros.com and of course at evwilldirect.com as well. We're going to be running the same promo. We're working close alongside with them in terms of promos and sales. So you can purchase it right now, and we're running a massive sale just as a celebrate the launch and the partnership, and then also giving away, again, these for free with a purchase of these wheels. So get them today. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Click on the subscribe button. We're going to try to make a little bit more content around wheels and other customizational things on the Tesla space. We'll see you later.